Here's another example of how you can use copy to clipboard to really help your users and improve your user experience. This time, how to use copy to clipboard within a repeating group. So I've got a list of contacts here, and I'm going to create a way for when my users click on an email address, it copies that email address to their clipboard. So I go into my Bubble app, and if you haven't already, we're using for this demonstration the Air Copy to Clipboard plugin by ZeroCode. So I've installed that plugin. And then in my repeating group, I simply add the copy to clipboard element, and I add it into my first cell. That way I can access it within every cell of the repeating group. And I'm going to do a little trick here that I've demoed in previous videos of how to include an icon within text, in line with text. So I'm going to say when this text is hovered, I'm going to change the text to current contacts email and put space in, open my square brackets, write FA, close square brackets, put in copy because that's the ID of the font awesome icon I'm wanting to insert, and then I simply close the expression like that. And so you'll see that that adds in a copy icon when it is hovered. So then I'll add a workflow in, and I'll say copy from static text, insert the current cells, contacts, email in, preview that. And so now you can see I get a copy icon when my mouse goes over each cell, and then if I click on lucy@example.com and I paste it in to the top, you can see that I've copied it to clipboard successfully. So are you already a member? If not, why not? We have got over 100 Bubble tutorial videos on our website, many of which are only for members. So do head over to our website, planetnocode.com. Check out all of the benefits you get from becoming a member, including access to those exclusive Bubble tutorial videos.